It's about 5 a.m. I walked here from the train station. I'm inside the ancient city. Wow. It's a pretty amazing place. $6. $6 for this room. That's pretty cheap. This view right here is at least worth $7. Hey everybody, welcome to another video and good morning from Jaisalmer. It's very early in the morning, maybe 4:30 in the morning. I just drive by train from Jaipur. It was about a 12-hour journey. Cost about 200 rupees, which is about $3 US. Pretty cheap for a 12-hour train ride, but it's pretty cold, a little uncomfortable. I was in second class, but overall good journey. But pretty early here. I was gonna drop my bags off at my hotel if anybody's awake at this hour. It's about a kilometer and a half walk into town, but hopefully catch the sunrise on the city and the fort, so let's check it out. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Go ahead and click it. I'll wait for you. At least I'm not totally alone. This little guy's been following me for about 20 minutes. It's kind of nice walking around India at this hour. It's kind of the quietest, most peaceful that I've seen in India so far. So the city is built around this ancient fort. You can kind of see it off in the distance up here. Whoa. This is looking pretty cool. So I think my hostel is like actually up there, built into the castle, which is pretty awesome. Sweet. Wow. Alright, so far this is probably the coolest place in India I've been so far. Good morning. Monument of this way. Okay, sounds cool. Good morning. Cafe. Hello. Good morning. Annapurna Bandar. Nice. I have no idea where I'm walking to. This place is like a maze. Hotel Desert. Oh. Nope. How about this way? Wait, a city viewpoint with the oldest cannon of the city as well as small Jain temple. Sounds good. As long as the guard dogs let me through. Is it cool? Can I go this way? Yeah? Okay. Thank you. Whoa. So I'm finally checked into my room. Got a bed, got a little window, got my very own shelf right here. And this right here is not an attached bathroom. There's a shared bathroom here. But it's my very own private patio with a view of Jaisalmer. The room is actually inside the ancient fort, the Jaisalmer fort. So $6 room, and this view right here is, they're worth at least $7, I would say. They also have a restaurant here at the hotel. It's pretty expensive though. It's amazing. We're in Agrabah. It's kind of hard to explain being here. It feels like you're in a dream or something. We're inside of a movie. So that's it, everybody, for my early walk around Jaisalmer. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.